All right, good morning. So, I'm Miss Debbie from the Citrus County Library System, and today we're going to continue with Once Upon a Time theme week, and we are going to be making some gnomes that you can make at home, and then we're going to do something fun at the end. You'll see. I'm not going to give it away just yet. So, I've got all sorts of materials that I think that y'all will have at home. We're going to start with a paper roll. I'm sure y'all have that. And we are just going to, you can glue this down, but for time management, I am just going to go ahead and put a little bit of tape. Tape that down, and then on the opposite side of that I am going to put some glue, a good amount of stick glue, and then this is going to be, whoops, the gnome's nose, and then just half of a cotton ball. And I just kind of pinch it a little bit so it looks like a pointy beard, and just kind of maneuver that right under there. And we don't have to give him any eyes or anything, but this is going to be his hat. And the way that I made his hat, it's just part of a big circle, and you can get a bowl and just outline that. And this is about 1/3 of the circle that I've cut away. And we're going to make a little cone with that just by joining that together. And here again, you could glue it, but I really find that a little bit of tape works the best, you know, because you can do it right then. And if it's not all taped together, we're going to put that in the back, so it doesn't really matter. And that just kind of goes down like that. Whoops! It's because its hat is not held on. So I'm going to hold that on with, again, some more Scotch tape. And that just goes in the back. And his nose falls off, so that's not a biggie. We're just going to put a little more glue there. Stick that back there, and there you go. You've got your own little gnome. Now you can play with him outside on the sidewalk, or on the floor, or on the table, whatever you want to do. But what I like to do is I like to go gnome bowling. So, whoops, there goes your hat again. So I'm going to position these guys up, and I like them to face towards me when I'm doing that. So I'm going to face them all towards me. There we go. Everybody have a great day.